So while I was in Haiti, we had to leave the site to go to a radio interview that I had. Oh man, and we got stuck. We got stuck right there in the mud. And when you get stuck out there, man, it's no joke. But check this out. Let me show you how we get down. Yep, we were stuck. All we could see around us was cows and goats and birds. It's crazy.
Listen, I want to apologize, okay, for McDonald's and all these places, okay? I had nothing to do with it, okay? Just want you to know that. I like your milk, though. I like cereal. I just want you to know that I like cereal. Cereal is good. Late night, early morning, I eat cereal all along. Thank you for the milk. Appreciate it. Deuces. We are stuck out here. Nowhere. Look at this. Alright, well, we try to make the best of it and see if we make it happen. My publicist right here. Just making things happen. Let's go. Check this out. Haitians to save the day. Haitians save the day again. Super Haitians. What I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, dog. That's how we get down. We bring in the trucks. What, sir? What? That's it. Haitians get down.